Hello all, Marike here for Studiolight. Today I hope to inspire you with a Christmas card using the new by Laurens Christmas stamps. For my project today I used stamps 484 and 491, paper pads 7 and 91 and mask 178. I cut a top fold white base card 4 by 5 1/4 inch and cut a piece of green cardstock the same size out of paper pad 91. I inked up some rustic wilderness and black soot onto the sides of the green panel. Using Rustic Wilderness and mask 178, I ink up the first part of the background. The mask has two sides, which you can use separately or, like for my card, together. After the first layer is ink blended, I temporarily add the green rectangle onto the other side. I ink blend it again using the same color of ink. After the ink blending is done, I splattered some water and dabbed it off using a paper towel. Make sure not to use too much water because the paper is not made for that purpose. With a white paint marker, I splattered some white directly onto the green panel. Like with all my tutorials, I do all preparations beforehand. My pro tip for this tutorial is to use different shades of the same color group for your sentiments. In my case, I used the same green for the small strips as I used on the background. The word happiness is heat embossed on a darker shade of green to give it some contrast. I inked up the sides of the light green sentiments using Rustic Wilderness, and for the other sentiment I used black soot. Adhered the green panel onto the white base card using double-sided tape. It's time to finish off the card. I added all the elements on the card using different heights of foam tape. If you would like to see more of my card making videos for Studiolight, leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!